What are we talking about today?
The S22 Ultra.
I'm not very happy the way they are treating Indian journalists, tech creators. Exynos or 8 Gen 1?
This is the most confusing question that we're going to be answering in this video. It could be either. It's not the Ultra. It's actually the Note.
So no S series.
No S series.
Interesting. Ultra looks promising.
Yes.
To
The
the
phone
actual,
in your hand.
I wanted those phones.
So Arun, we're going to be talking only about the S22 Ultra today, specifically because one of the things that we realized after watching the event is, of course, the fact that the S22 and the S22 Plus are very similar to the S21 series last year.
Yes. So Ultra is what we are going to talk about.
Ultra is the only thing that we're going to be talking about, and also mostly because we both are excited about the Ultra as well.
Yes.
Although I do want to know your first thoughts, immediate thoughts, raw thoughts on what you...
Before even going to Ultra, let me tell you, I want to voice my displeasure at the fact that Indian creators, Indian journalists have been not given enough due, because all the videos came yesterday and unboxing, first impressions, all US, UK, Western creators, they got it, and I wanted to experience them. But no, I don't know when we are going to get it, but we are going to get it very soon,
for sure,
right?
For sure.
So yeah,
that's for certain.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what I'm not very happy about it. But let me tell you, Ultra looks promising.
Yes, it does.
But there are lots and lots of question marks. My question to you, it's everyone's question. What do you think? Exynos or 8 Gen 1?
You're starting off with the banger. Exynos or 8 Gen 1. You know what I tweeted in the morning? And there's so much confusion around it. Let's start off with, the history, right? It's always been Exynos in India when it comes to S-series flagships. Yes, and it's never been Snapdragon. The S-series flagship has always been on an Exynos. So this year again, everybody was expecting that, this generation's Exynos 2200 with that AMD GPU.
Yeah. So okay, let's deep dive a bit. AMD GPU. Do you really expect that chip to do wonders? Do you expect it because PS5 has got
it? The RDNA 2 technology. Yeah, right. I mean, see, technically it should. I mean, AMD has that legacy, but initial reports are actually not saying that. In fact, TechAlter, one of the really good creators on YouTube, he tweeted out saying that there's only a very little jump, 17% jump over Exynos 2100. And you know what? Snapdragon has actually made major progress in GPU direction. Okay. I think there's a lot of catch up.
Okay, because there was some excitement with AMD GPU, but if you're saying that it's not much of a jump, then we'll have to actually see.
We'll test it.
Let's reserve our judgment there.
Yes, true.
But the rumors are it's coming on 8 Gen 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
the rumors are saying that for sure. Especially Ishan said it. And when Ishan generally tweets, it's mostly like a legit sort of we know, okay, it's going to be true types.
Okay.
And he said that I've done my research. Even I'm scared to say this and put it out there, that it's the 8 Gen 1 in India.
Okay.
But the online website, Samsung.com/in says it's our fastest 4nm R. Underline
so
R.
That's Exynos. So the confusion remains. Till the time we get it in our hands, we will not.
You know what? I'll add more to the confusion now. Or be masala we'll add. Qualcomm India sent out a press release to journalists today saying that in select regions, 8 Gen 1. They haven't explicitly called out saying that India mein aane wala hai ki nahi.
But they sent to Indian journalists as well, right?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Conjecture.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's ask the audience.
Okay, no, let me ask you.
Okay.
Which one do you want? Because you are a Note user, right?
Yes, I am a Note user.
Big Note fan, and same here. I loved the Note, last year's Note. I used it.
Any specific reason why you like the Note?
I will tell you, productivity. Yes. It really improves my productivity. I'll give you an example. I get a lot of agreements, NDAs, embargoes to sign. Right. I just pick up my phone with that. I just sign and send it across. So, it becomes very, very easy. Even notes. I take a lot of meetings, attend a lot of briefings. Right. Taking notes also becomes so easy. Yeah. So, productivity definitely is a big plus.
What do you think of the marriage of the S series? Okay, you know what? I'll answer your question first.
Okay.
Whether it's 8 Gen 1 or Exynos.
Yeah.
And, I'll give the ulta answer. I'm actually expecting the Exynos this year. Somebody actually commented saying, Indians ko sab chahiye. Exynos bhi chahiye, Snapdragon bhi chahiye.
There are people on both the sides that they want Exynos and 8 Gen 1. Okay, moving on. Design.
Yes.
Because this is a S series phone.
The marrying of.
Marrying of. It's a S 22 Ultra.
No, it's the Note 22 Ultra. No, it's the Note 22 Ultra.
Okay. From what I have seen, it looks exactly, the shell is exactly like this, curved and flat top and bottom. The only thing is these cameras.
What do you think of that?
I am not really sure. I'll be honest with you. I think, it's very, very plain vanilla. But I saw a lot of videos of all the other creators, and I always saw a lot of dust there. One of the things that is going to happen is, it's going to be very difficult to clean that. Look-wise, yes, it's good. It's plain, simple, nice, elegant, all those things polished. But I am not sure. I'm really not sure of that thing. But other than that, I like Note.
I like the design. I'll be honest, primarily because even otherwise we're honest only. The only point is that the thing is that what I like particularly about the design, Arun, is that it's minimalistic now.
Yeah, it's minimalistic.
It cuts out that.
It's simplistic, minimalistic. Yeah.
It looks that's what I think a lot of people feel is the reason why it looks plain. But I like plain.
If Samsung is listening, send us the green one.
There is no green. Okay, here's to break a bubble. I got really, really sad. There is no green one in India. You know which colors are available? Burgundy, white and black.
That's a bummer, man.
That's a complete bummer. Both of us love it, right?
Yeah, that was the best color. Best. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, we'll have to order import one.
Import one probably. Yeah.
Yes.
Why? But why?
Any reason why you like the green? What is so attractive?
No, it's different. Yeah. It's unique. Yeah. And although I'm saying green, it had shades of blue as well. Matlab, ऐसे लग रहा था कि it is also blue. Yeah. So I like that color, and completely. It looks good with that design, simplistic design. That green one looks good. So
it stands out.
Yeah, it stands out. Really.
You know what? There are some other colors as well, some red color as well, which is looking very, very good, but only online specific orders in the US, something like that. All of these colors don't.
What about India, man? See that's what I said. Yeah. What about India? Why they're not getting those?
We don't even have the 1 TB variant. We only have the 256 GB and the 512 GB.
Online, you're going to get from that Samsung shop. You're going to get 1 TB variant.
No, there is no 1 TB variant. I saw online it's only 256 and 512 GB.
What do you think about cameras, by the way? Okay, so design you like, right? Design, I am okay. It's not that I don't like. It's not that I overly like it as well. Okay. So yeah, that's what my take on it is. But what about cameras? What do you think about cameras?
Cameras. Cameras obviously are the same as the S22 Ultra when it comes to the hardware specifications. But they seem to have
that is Note, right? Let's compare it with Note. S22 Ultra is Note. So in Note you had 3 cameras.
This one has 4.
This one has 4. So I'll say that is
a bit of an upgrade.
A bit of an upgrade, yeah.
But you get your 3x optical and 10x optical zoom as well, which obviously zoom may, I don't think Samsung has, there other brands need to catch up to Samsung, I feel. And they've apparently improved the digital zoom. When you take 30x pictures, it looks even better now. So I am really excited to such a camera nerd, that I am.
I know, that's why I asked you about the camera. So you are expecting quite
a lot. And the night photography as well.
Yeah, low light photography. They have, in fact, their teasers were all about low light photography. So yeah, cameras are going to be great. Like I said, we don't have the phone in our hands, man, and everyone else has it. I mean, outside India, and that's bad. That is one thing.
I think we should. And I didn't discuss about it earlier when you brought it up, but I think that should change.
That really
globally,
should change.
I mean, all creators should be treated equally. I mean, why should they get first access and we don't?
And imagine, I am talking about a channel with 11 million. We have crossed
11 million. Oh my god! We had a party. I completely forgot about that. 11 million.
11 million. Yeah, 11 million subscribers, and still we are struggling to get it.
Yeah.
What will small creators do, man? I mean, think about that. We have also come from that particular.
Absolutely.
If I am having a problem, these guys are going to have so much of problems. So that's what it is.
Anyway, let's hope that changes soon.
Yeah.
Let's hope for the best.
Okay. Anything else that stands out on S22 Ultra for you?
Yes, we haven't come to the most important point. The S Pen.
S Pen. वो note है भाई. वो note है तो.
No, but also there are other improvements in it. Like for example, now it's a faster, responsive S Pen. Like it's from the Note. 2.8 milliseconds.
2.8 milliseconds.
From 9 milliseconds.
Yeah.
So apparently it feels like you're literally writing pen on paper or
and it is both hardware and software. I think.
Yes.
That is
stick to both.
Yeah.
Again, we want to test it out really badly to see. We'll actually do a sort of test when we are doing like the Note 20 Ultra versus S22 Ultra.
Perfect. And the biggest thing, I think, the biggest thing in last 2 days is that Samsung has said they are going to give 4 years of updates.
Yes.
I think, they have set a precedent, and thank you Samsung for that.
Yes.
Because I'm sure other brands will also need to follow soon. If not 4, at least 3 years, and 4 years of security updates, 3 years major update. So imagine you buy an Ultra now on Android 12, up to 16. Android 16 you're going to get it. That's a big thumbs up from me.
Completely agree. Yeah. But there's one question that users are asking, but what is the guarantee that Samsung will go, but they've had a good history of providing updates.
No, I'll tell you.
What do you think?
I'll tell you, when it was about 5-6 years back, we used to struggle for Samsung phone updates. Yeah. But over last 2-3 years, they have really improved on their updating.
Yes, they have. That's
consistently updates mil raha hai.
Yeah, you have history saying that's actually the case. Yeah. Then, there is no doubt.
But I'll tell you, I've been using since S2, S3. I've been seeing at that time, about 4, 5, 6, 7 years back, people used to struggle getting Samsung updates. They never did that, but in last 3-4 years, they have definitely improved. So updates ka koi problem nahi hai.
Quickly, one question I want to ask you. Do you like the One UI software? What is your take on One UI? Do you like it?
You know what? I have used it, and when I initially started, I was okay with it, but it grew on me. It grows on you. Yeah. That is what happens.
It's like
now,
Rahman's music.
Nice one. Nice. So it has grown on me, and now I have started liking it. Definitely. But I'll still say ColorOS I like better than One UI. Okay. But on second, I think definitely One UI.
One UI comes for you.
Yes.
I like One UI a lot as well. Yeah. I think they've done a lot of...
Have you used ColorOS for a considerable length of time?
Yes, on Realme UI.
Okay.
Similar.
How do you like that?
Actually, I like it. They've tweaked it very, very well.
Yeah, the recent updates in last 1.5, 2 years, they have really done
a good job. I completely agree. I think OnePlus is the only one struggling.
Yeah, I know.
But you're okay with them getting ColorOS because you like ColorOS.
Yeah. I'm perfectly fine as long as a lot of what we see in Chinese ColorOS, if they don't bring it in Indian OS, I'm fine with it. Fine. So yeah.
Okay, now coming back to the
S22 Ultra.
S22 Ultra. I'm constantly thinking Note 22 Ultra in my head, and I'm correcting myself. No, it's the S22 Ultra. No, it's the Note 22. Anyway. So, coming back to the Note 22 Ultra, pricing.
Oh.
It is. Just for context.
Is it going to get pricier? What do you think?
Okay, I'll tell you the US prices, then we'll talk about that.
US prices
$1,199. It's the same as S21 Ultra.
Okay.
So in India, will it be the same as S22 Ultra?
If you ask me, I think it might be actually slightly on the lower side, not on the higher side. Generally, UK, US prices. Okay. For me, the base.
This is a bet between the two of us.
Okay.
Zyada hoga. I am telling it will be more.
8128 would be about 90,000, the base variant.
Lower than last year's S21 Ultra?
No.
Same as that.
Yeah, same. I'm saying it's going to be same.
I feel there'll be a slight markup.
Yeah? What is your take?
I feel that, it'll be slightly more expensive than S21 Ultra.
So you're saying in 1 lakh...
it might reach the 1 lakh mark. See, I'm a realist.
I'm a practical person. It's interesting because going against Apple and demanding that kind of a price, and if people are buying that, then definitely Samsung is doing something right. Yeah. That I can definitely say. Right?
One thing, now we've spoken about the Note 22 Ultra, we've come to the price and everything. But one thing's been eating away at me, I've been really irritated with that fact, is that when we used to go to events earlier, right, and the kind of hype that used to be there around it, Arun.
How can a hype stay now when for 6 months in my tech news every day I have something or the other? There are so many rumors, we know everything about it. Yesterday also, I'll give you an example. Yesterday also, the launch event started at 8:30. Yeah. And all the creators, US creators, had put the video. Why will I even see the launch event? I'll just see reviewers' videos and I'll know what.
I stopped the launch event.
Yeah.
But I had to watch it because I was tweeting out from the Trakin Tech Twitter account. Yeah. But that's the only reason. Otherwise, I had no.
And I didn't need to see also those videos because we knew everything about it and there was no change. It was not as if rumors were wrong. All the rumors, all the pictures that came out. Yeah. So what you said is absolutely right. There is no fun in launch events anymore.
Yeah, it is right. I don't know.
मतलब जो एक होता था यार, wow, इसका launch है, you know, that thing is gone.
Do you also think it's a launch fatigue? Because yesterday, you know, and you know, obviously you cover everything on Trakin Tech. There were close to, and we counted it, Sajid and I counted it, there were 11 launches yesterday.
11?
Vivo T1, ठीक है, Xiaomi 4 products.
Yeah, right.
Right?
Yeah.
Samsung 6 products. 11 launches.
Wow, 11 launches in a day, 9th Feb.
That's way too many, I feel.
Far too many, man, far too many. Imagine people like us. Yeah, there is launch fatigue. Definitely, it is there. So many products launching, like we discussed in our earlier video as well, that there are so many launches, especially in India. There's so many launches happening. Now, for US creators, it is so easy. You know, they are going to only talk about S22 Ultra for next month or so. So many reviews will come, cameras. But for us, we have to do that. Plus,
Vivo T1, we'll have some Realme phone, we'll have some iQOO phone, we'll have some. Yeah,
Xiaomi, Motorola.
There is a platter. There is a platter for you. It's good for the consumers, though. I will
it is
that.
More the choices. Yeah, but confusion.
Bhi hota hai. That's why we're here. We'll help them out.
Yeah, but there's no confusing S22 Ultra as Note. No, there is a confusion because that is Note. That is not S22 Ultra. So let's close it at that.
Yes.
I hope. You know, the viewers, us, I enjoyed it. I always enjoyed talking to you. So
same here, absolutely. And the pleasure is completely mine to have a discussion with you. So I absolutely enjoy having the conversation. And I hope viewers have a good takeaway as well.
Yeah.
And maybe also ask them, let us know in the comment section below what you think. Will it be Snapdragon 8 Gen 1?
Yeah,
Exynos?
Yeah. Let us know down below in comments whether you want what, Exynos or 8 Gen 1. And in second line, you can put that this is what I want. What would be your preference? So let's see. By the way, if you have liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe. A lot of exciting videos and discussions are coming. So yes, do subscribe. Hit that red button.
Until next time, keep tracking
and stay safe. That's not how you do it, is it? Until next time, keep tracking and stay safe. Yeah. He's yet to master it.
I'm yet to master it.
Yeah.